Hi, welcome to my channel, Simple and Frugal Living. Today I have a Dollar Tree small pantry organization that I would like to share. I found these beautiful clear jars at Dollar Tree and I just had to grab a few of them from my pantry. I love the size and shape as well as the clear cover that comes with it. If your Dollar Tree does not carry the glass jars, you can also look for these plastic containers with a white lid. I also like these too. To help remove the stickers on the bottom of the jars and containers, I highly recommend using the glue gun, which you can also purchase at Dollar Tree. Once the stickers have been removed and the jars have been washed and dried, it's time for the labels. For the labels, I created my own labels using ideas from Pinterest. I printed them on matte printable vinyl sticker, which I purchased on Amazon. Once they've been printed, I used my paper trimmer to trim them to about 1.5 to 2 inches in size. Once they've been cut, I simply place the sticker on each jar or container. Then I add the spice or ingredient that I have labeled on it. And here's the end result. I love how it turned out and I hope you guys did as well. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I would appreciate that. May God bless you.